Welcome and Namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will visit Greenwich from United Kingdom, which is a notable city for its maritime history and for introducing the concept of time zone GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time. Prime Meridian is fictional line from North Pole to the South Pole going through Greenwich and marking the 0-degree longitude from where all other distances are measured. When sun is directly over the prime meridian, the time is considered to be 12 noon GMT. All other time zones are measured relatively based on their distances from the prime meridian. In year 1884, during the International Meridian Conference, Greenwich was chosen as the main meridian. In Northern Hemisphere, prime meridian passes through United Kingdom, France, Spain, Algeria, Mali, Burkina Faso, Togo, Ghana, and in Southern Hemisphere it passes through the only landmass Antarctica. Knowing all this about meridian, I wanted to visit Greenwich. The distance between central London and Greenwich is about 8 miles. You can take either riverboat, train, tube, or Docklands light rail. The interesting part of the train journey is that it goes through a tunnel underneath the grounds and river. I'm trying to give you a feel of London Railway. Now we are passing through a tunnel underneath the ground. It is very amazing to see underground public transportation system in London. Now we have arrived at Greenwich Station. Outside Greenwich Station you will see a beautiful park which is known as Greenwich Park. It is spread across in 183 acres of land. You will see here people climbing the hill, walking, children playing. Here you can see Royal Palace. This was Palace of Placentia and was the birthplace of many Tudors, including Henry VIII and Elizabeth I. Now this palace is converted into a Royal Naval Hospital, and Old Royal Naval College also is in this area. The backside skyscrapers are Canary Wharf, that is central London. This is Millennium Dome, which is also known as the O2. It was initiated to house an exhibition. The central structure is the largest dome in the world with nearly twice area of the former record holder, the Georgia Dome in Atlanta. Now we are at Royal Observatory. The Royal Observatory was built in year 1675. This is the home of Greenwich Mean Time and the prime meridian of the world. The original purpose was to find longitude at sea. The red time ball at the top of the tower was raised at 12 hours 55 minutes and dropped at 1 p.m. A line running through the observatory marks the prime meridian. Here you can see the red time ball, and this is meridian line. You can straddle the line and simultaneously be on east and west hemispheres of the earth. This is statue of General James Wolfe. It was gifted by Canadians to England to commemorate Wolfe's victory against the French at Quebec. Now comes most interesting part of this place, that is Meridian laser beam. You can see green laser beam marking the Greenwich Meridian line shining in the sky. It is beam from Royal Observatory. You can see this green line. Most tourists crowd in this area in the evening just to see this meridian laser beam. I am also here for the same purpose and I got to see this green beam, so I am very happy. Now I am at the place called Cutty Sark. Cutty Sark is a name of the last sea clipper ship which is displayed here. Around this area you can visit National Maritime Museum and Old Royal Naval College. Since it was too late, I could not visit those places. I am at Cutty Sark Light Metro Station on Dockyards Light Railway. It is underground railway station and I am going to experience light metro train journey underneath the Thames River. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel Around the World Desi Pardesi and click on bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours Desi Pardesi.